So guys, I'm in a trading on AUDUSD right now. Let me show you guys a chart real quick. Let me show you guys a chart. So this is the AUDUSD chart. It's a swing trade, 4 hours time frame. I'm looking to just TP right around this range. I'm going for 1:4 on the trade short. I just entered on the close of this engulfing candle. I wish to enter on a smaller time frame. I was just going for 15 pips, and I'm trying to ride it to this place. Yes, around 1:25 or whatever is going. You can see. So this is the chart. It's my normal strategy. Daily time frame is trending downwards. You can see that there's a daily trending downwards. 4 hours is trending downwards. Price moving to a 4-hourly order block. I was trying to sell it. So it's kind of going to be a swing trade because it's a 4-hourly time frame and it's going to be slower. So let me show you guys how the trade is really going in MetaTrader 5. I know right now I'm in drawdown, but it is what it is. So I'll continue to update you guys. But let's go into the MetaTrader 5. Let me show you guys how the trade is actually moving. So right now I'm in a very big drawdown, 21 cedis. You know, I'm risking 50 cedis on the trade. You realize that is the position. I'll show you guys clearly. When it goes for me, I'll make 200 cedis. If it go against me, I'll lose 50 cedis, which I'm cool with. You realize that the points here are smaller, 137 points, and here I have 15 pips. So this trade I'm gonna hold for the whole of the day or whatever I want to go. My issue is that 9 p.m. spread thing, but when it does what it does, then I'm cool. So I'll continue to update you guys for real though. So guys, the trade has taken me out. You guys can see that SL, that candlestick, once I just entered, came and closed above the range and took me out of the trade, right? So what does this mean for me? For me personally, it doesn't mean anything so much. All it means is the first question I need to ask is, have I stick to my rules? And if the answer is no, then that's why I'll get it wrong. But if it's normal that I've stick to my rule, and in this very trade, I've stuck to my rule. I have a 4-hour entry model that I use sometimes, not all the time, but when it passes through, I use it. For the past few weeks, setups are not showing up in the market. The market has become very sluggish. I don't know whether it's because of the US shutdown thing. Right now, I barely last week. I took what's the name? A B class trade, and I paid a price. This week, I took a setup that I think would give me profit. They didn't move, took me out of the trade. It's cool. So I will go tomorrow. Today is Wednesday. Go tomorrow and try and see how it plays out. So I'll continue to update you guys. Guys, I'm in a trade on USDCHF. This is an instrument. Let me show you guys how it is currently running. It's now -9 cedis in SL. Let me show you guys the chart quickly. Let me show you guys the chart. So guys, this is the chart, right? You realize that this is USDCHF. This is an instrument, USDCHF. Euro Swiss franc. This is a 45 minutes time frame. Price pulls into another block right here. And then I'm looking to sell it to this low point at this place. I'm looking for 1:2. Oh, realize that the position I entered, due to spread and everything, is now just exactly 1:2, right? So I'm looking for 10 pips SL, and then I'm looking for 20 pips take profit. So there's the chart, right? Let me show you guys how it's currently running again. It's currently at 7 cedis, 60 pesos. There's nothing wrong with that. There's a position. You realize that this TP will be here, and then 20 cedis. And then take profit, and then SL will always stand at 50 cedis. So I'll continue to update you guys. Guys, you know that we are now in a little bit of profit. We are now in a little bit of profit. It's beautiful. Same price. Just sell. It's just kind of beautiful, right? So I'll continue to update you guys. We are in a little bit of profit. I'll continue to update you guys for real. You guys can see now that the position is now 1:1. Very good trade. It's now left with a halfway to go. So let's see how it play out. We'll continue to update you guys for sure. Guys, you can see the trade position that it is approaching TP. Very good. Spread is, it has already tagged TP, but I feel like spread is what is making the trade not close. So I'll hold it for a little bit and then see how it play out, guys. But you can see that if this trade goes to profit, then it will be a very good trade for me because it is amazing. So price itself went to profit, but the spread in between the two positions is what is making it behave this way. So I'll hold it for a bit and then see how it play out. Okay, but realize that it will go, if it went through, then it's 1:2 on the account and the account will be back to break even. Guys, you realize that the trade came into to profit, but I couldn't close because of spread. But right now it is retracing. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to close this trade at 1:1.8 because I don't want to risk it going up to the upside and then me losing my profit. So 1:1.8 is cool. Sorry, 1:1.80, almost 1:2. So yeah, I'll close this trade. So let me close the trade. So that's it. So if we come to this week, this is the trade that I took. I'm currently trading and I see this in profit, but the account is still in around what's the name? Account is also for, let's say, last month. Account is also trading cities in loss, right? So tomorrow I'll come again and then I'll trade and see how I'm gonna close the week. We all hope that this week becomes the first profitable week for me, but I'll come and take a trade. If it goes to loss, it's fine. If it goes to profit, it's also fine. I'll just continue showing up. So I'll continue to update you guys for sure.